guys, welcome back to my channel, Wake Up to Makeup by Nicole. If you guys haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, that way you can be notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. In my opinion, I think it goes with any season, especially fall. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I used for this makeup tutorial that I did today. Use my foundation in the shade Caramel, and then my concealer in the shade Warm Beige, my e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer, my Tulum highlight right here is the one I used, and it is called Yucatan. And then I use this palette here called California Love, and my inner corners right here I went with the El Captain, this one right here. And then my Morphe palette doesn't have the names of the eyeshadow, but I use this color here and this color here. And my Kylie translucent powder, and my Kylie blush Close to Perfect, and also my Fenty Beauty in the shade Cocoa Naughty. These are the lashes that I'm wearing. And the lip gloss I used was Honey Gloss Watermelon. I also used my NYX on my waterline. And then I used this Milk Hydro Grip Primer for my eyelids. This is the brush I used for my blush. And this is the Morphe brush that I used for my contouring. And then my Morphe brush, the M453, and my other Morphe brush, M139. And this other Morphe brush I also used to spread around my translucent powder, and my Duo for my eyelashes, my eyelash glue, and my mascara Sky High by Maybelline, and these eyelash crimps, and my beauty blender. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button.